Pep Assembly Talisman event. Here's Mr. WRHS.
All right, I need anybody that is in the six-person pyramid out on the field right now. Six-person pyramid, you are out. It is going to be freshmen, then seniors, then juniors, then sophomores, or sophomores. Six-person pyramid. They're going to start on one end of the field. They're going to run all the way down. They're going to make a pyramid out of 6 people for 10 seconds, and then they're going to run back. First team to make it back will win. We've got the sophomores ready. Mr. Lahotsky's teaching them how to do a pyramid. Nice job, Mr. Lahotsky. We've got the seniors who could spell pyramid. Yep. We've got the juniors, led by Stavros. He's running out there. He doesn't know what a pyramid looks like. And then we've got the freshmen down at the end. Wow, that's a tall kid. He should be at the bottom. All right, hustle up to the end of the field. Give it a little run. There you go. Little jog. There. We only got till 3 o'clock. We need one more timer.
Mr. Darchek, those are the freshmen, those are sophomores.
Correct. Freshmen, seniors, juniors, sophomores. Thanks, Mr. A. You're the best. You can tell by the colors. I got this. We got all 4 timers ready. Contestants ready. Set. Go. The seniors look like they're going to beat everybody on the other side. Karen, you should be on the bottom. Karen needs to be on the bottom. The juniors are already set up. It's all set. There you go. The juniors are already set. The seniors still can't figure it out. The sophomores are at the top. It looks like we're about ready. The juniors are ready. They're ready back. Followed by the freshmen. The seniors still can't figure it out. The freshmen are on top. Karen is figured out the freshmen are going to be in 3rd. The seniors also made it. They were close, ladies and gentlemen, but the seniors are just finishing now. Nice try. Mr. Gates said they were up to 6 or 7 seconds, but after that, they don't know how to go 8, 9, 10. Congratulations. We need the 3-legged race out on the field. Oh, sorry, that was a violation. It's a nifty pink tape. We need you out on the 30-yard lines. One partner on one side, one partner on the other side. 30-yard lines. We need you at the 30-yard lines. The ones on my left are going to start. They're going to run across to the other 30-yard line. They're going to tag their partners, and then their partners are going to run back. Nice job, Junior. Junior's solid. 3rd place. G 2nd. 1st place? Nice job. Junior's 1st place. Wow. Something. I was watching. I swear, Miss Cantos. They put you on the bottom? All right. We've got a couple of the 3-legged racers. Where are the other 3-legged racers? They're still getting a couple of tapes. Come on, Owens. What is wrong with you? Oh, this is going to go well. She can't even walk without a person attached to her. Give it a little jog, Owens. Left, right. There you go. That girl. We've got the seniors that are close on this side. Why are the juniors here and the juniors way over there? Shouldn't you be across from the other juniors? Well, yeah, I could tell, but I saw Spinola in blue and I thought, what the heck, that must be a junior. Oh. It's Cubby blue, I get it. Solid, Northsiders. That's funny. Okay, the person to my left on the north side, are you going to take off? They're going to run to the 30-yard line. They're going to tag their partners, and they're going to run back. First ones win. We have no freshmen on the... Oh, here they come. They're just slow. They're just slow. They got this. Carry him, would you? We got this. They're coming. Jog. Make it a jog. Little jog. You're going to have to learn how to do it anyway. Little jog. Here we go. On your marks. No, not on your marks. I was just testing. Just testing. It's a joke. Ha, 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 not yet. That side's going first. North side is going first. They're retaping. They're adjusting. They're three-legging. It's a word. It is now. Mr. Gates, are you ready? Mr. Gates is ready. Mr. Zach, are they ready? On your marks. No, Miss Cantos tells me no. They're still taping juniors together. My Lord, get it together. Mr. Gates said they were ready. Now they're ready? Are you sure they're ready? He's still not ready. Okay, the person on Mr. Gates' side is going to start. On your marks, get set, go! The juniors are out in front, the sophomores. The juniors are out in front. We've got the freshmen out in third. We've got the seniors over there. Joey Lindsay to the Spinella. Figuring it out here, ladies and gentlemen. The juniors are the winners. It looks like the seniors are going to be in second. The freshmen are going to be in third. And the sophomores come in dead last. They still haven't finished. There's the finish. Nice job. All of you that are going to be participating in the tug of war, please come down to the track. The tug of war works at the 50-yard line, ladies and gentlemen. If you could pull the knot all the way over to the 45-yard line, you are the winner. We are going to start with which two? The freshmen and juniors out on the course. Field or turf or whatever. Freshmen on my left-hand side, juniors on my right-hand side. North side are on the freshmen, and on the south side are the juniors. The south side's always better anyway. Just saying. They're up and coming. Nice job, Owens. You almost bit it right on the football field in front of your entire school. Nicely done. Karen, couldn't figure out the 6-person pyramid. You wanted to make it a 5-person pyramid? Tell us about that. Thank you very much, Miss Kumba. We've got the juniors on the north side. They switched it up. We've got the freshmen on the south side. They are picking up the rope, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Shaw is there in the middle, making sure the knot has not gone to either side of the 50-yard line. How you doing, Joe? Hey, Joe. How's it going, Joe? Good to see you, buddy. Mr. Shaw is going to stand on that rope until we're ready, and it is not going to move, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sure of it. We're figuring out how to pull on a rope. Thank God Mr. Rosenberg's out there. Nice job, Mr. Rosenberg. He's out there trying to figure out, yes, that is a rope, sir. We've now counted to 10. We're okay. Mr. Shaw, are you ready? Juniors, are you ready? Freshmen, are you ready? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. The juniors are pulling the rope. They're at the 49-yard line, ladies and gentlemen. I can't see a darn thing because there's 75 people in front of me, but it looks as though the juniors are going to win. They're close, but no, the freshmen are returning the pull. They're going back to the 47-yard line. It's as though they're trying. It's been at the 46-yard line for a year and a half, and now it's a winner for the juniors. Junior winner. Can I please have the sophomores and the seniors out on the rope battlefield? Nice try, freshman. You gave it the old high school try. Juniors, stay out on the field. You're going to have to pull again in just a matter of seconds. But who will be your opponent? Will it be the seniors or the sophomores? Don't look at me like that. I know what I'm doing. I got this. You do this good move. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. We got these seniors on the left-hand side of the field, and we've got the sophomores on the right-hand side. We've got an airplane to your north. It's flying by. Nice. Mr. Shaw standing on the rope again. He looks prepared. We've got Shannon Marbach and Andy to take on the front end of the rope. We've got some kid I don't know and another kid I don't know on the sophomore side. It looks as though they're ready. We got Big Dave at the end. Mr. Shaw, you ready? Seniors, are you ready? Sophomores, are you ready? On the count of 3, 1, 2, 3. And 3 whistles at the same time. The sophomores look like they're taking it to town. Shannon Marbach doesn't have any upper body power. The sophomores are now at the 47-yard line, ladies and gentlemen. They're pulling. They're at the 46. They're at the 45. They're at the winning side. The seniors lose their final tug-of-war of their career. It was a valiant attempt. Andy is so ticked, he throws a shoe into the air. That'll show his utter disgust. If he only put that much effort into the rope, we would have had a winner on the green side. But no, Andy takes off his shoe in disgust. Now for the championship, we've got the juniors on the north side. We've got the sophomores on the right side, anchored by Big Dave Barry. We've got a soccer player on the other side. Damien is as though he's got arms to give you a little love. He's got power, I'm sure of it. He misses a lot of school, so he's got rest. I know, I'm telling you, fingers, it's crazy. Oh, it's all been on Snapchat, ladies and gentlemen, in case you were wondering. Add this young lady on Snapchat. No, it's okay, go ahead. Julie, how's it going? All right, we've got the sophomores all ready. I am baking like a toasted cheeser out here, ladies and gentlemen. We've got the juniors that are ready on the left-hand side. We're still, the sophomores are still trying to count. It's okay. Mr. Bennett's out there. He's an English teacher. He can't count. Although I do know the Patriots are 1-1 now. They took it on the chin last night. He could count to 5. The sophomores are getting ready. Are the sophomores ready? Are the juniors ready? On the count of 3, 1, 2, 3.